Guys, today we talk about how can you add password on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So it's going to show for you like this here. You go down, you click here on account here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account security here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. So then all you have to do, you just click here. You come to password here. Click on add. So then here add new password. Then here confirm the new password. Click on send. That it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.